The following message is transmitted at the request of a civil danger warning, serving around the area of Chicago. There have been reports that the fires, cracks and explosions has been mysteriously occurring around the city of Chicago, causing some catastrophic amount of damage and destruction and has probably killed around 25 people, with 30 being injured. It is unknown how this happened, but all residents here around the area of Chicago are advised to stay away from the area city of Chicago and evacuate to your homes, and stay in your homes as well. If you're in a building, evacuate immediately to the stairs. If you do not evacuate, you will be putting yourself at a high risk, and face certain death. Please stay tuned for more information and updates as it follows, as we will find out who has been causing the catastrophic and dangerous damage around the city of Chicago. The following message is transmitted at the request of a civil danger warning and the Chicago Police Department Services. It has now been confirmed that the creature is now confirmed to be Primal Groudon, a Primal Reversion legendary Pokémon creature from the game Pokémon Omega Ruby and Alpha Sapphire. The creature was the cause to create fiery damages like lava cracks, explosions, and fires, and it has came out of the ground to cause a fiery, devastating rampage. Stay in your homes immediately, and make sure you bring some water weapons as well since the Primal Groudon's weakness is water. Stay tuned for more informations and updates as it follows.
This is ABC 7 News reporting speaking, serving around the area of Chicago. At around 11:35 a.m. Central Standard Time, there have been reports that the large, legendary fiery ground Pokémon creature, named the Primal Groudon, the primal Pokémon creature from the game Pokémon Omega Ruby and Alpha Sapphire, has been reported to cause massive fiery damage around the city area of Chicago, and was reported and responsible for causing some lava earthquake cracks, explosions and fires. Do not approach the Primal Groudon, as it is considered extremely dangerous, and it will burn you and face certain death if you do so. Stay in your homes and don't make any noises, and if you see the Primal Groudon, hide and get some watery weapon as the Primal Groudon's weakness is water. The firefighters will be arriving to stop the Primal Groudon from causing even more fiery damages. Stay tuned for more updates as it follows, and may wish you all a Merry Christmas. Oh no, it's better get out of here, before I die and get obliterated and burned.
The following message is transmitted at the request of an emergency action termination. This is an all-clear message. The Primal Groudon, the legendary Primal Revision Pokémon creature that has caused huge massive fiery damage across the city of Chicago, has now been killed and defeated, as the firefighters and along with other people, use their watering hose and the watery weapons to defeat the Primal Groudon together, as they found out their weakness. In order to defeat it, you can now exit your safe zones. However, there is a lot of damage across the areas of Chicago, as it will take many years or even decades to rebuild everything. Normal programming may now resume, and have a good Merry Christmas.